What's up, readers? Hope you're having a good weekend. Right now, we're going to be diving into Johnny's pick this week from Cash Daddies podcast 89. DraftKings. This is an old school one from the Cash Daddies community, and look at that. This is crazy to me. We are almost all the way down to their starting price. What do we got? 10-ish? All right, this is monthly level. You can see we've just kind of, for lack of a better term, shit the bed. We're going to go down to weekly level to get a better look at the workings of the chart. And I have a lot of old analysis I need to get rid of here. Let me just do this. Okay, I'll keep these. All right. Cool. So we had a previous, what is that, 2019. We'll put 19 in, see what that looks like. Okay, so about 19 back here. I'm also going to put this in because this is our playing field right here. So let's talk about this. All right, so we have this historical resistance level, very historical. Just double checking that. 18. I'm going to go with 18 actually. All right. And then, what is this, 10? Go with 11. All right. Being a little picky there, but you can see that we have our support. We broke through this support level over here of 18. You can see we bounced off it, tried to push through, came back up, came back down, right? Big fighting between the moving average and the support level. And the bears won and pushed it through. And now our playing field is between approximately 10 or 11 and that 18. So we're in that zone right now. I think this has further downside to go in the shorter term. I think we might be able to get even more valuable prices from looking at this chart. This looks like it wants to roll over more, and part of the reason for that is we broke through this level right here, that swing low. We just broke through that low, and just last week we retested it and rejected, right? So nice long wick, almost an inverse hammer, not perfect, but this is the breakout, the retest, and it's going to continue to roll over, which should be more visible on the daily level. Yeah, see? So let's look at this daily level. Swing low here, broke through daily, boom, candle. So hit a low there, swing low, swing high. So this is the retest and this is the rollover. This has further downside to go, in my opinion, at the moment. If we want to put in, there is, well, all right, let's put in, this is interesting actually. Let's see what this does. Let's just put in this zone to see what it does. See how this looks over here. That's funny. Okay. All right. So you can see, look, look how, see, this is kind of fun. I find these things funny, right? We almost touched that perfectly, and that's just, not a random zone, but I put it right to those other candles, those other wicks. We go right down to that level, try to push through it, get pushed all the way back up, and now we've closed in that zone. So I still think this rolls over more. I don't think this bounces completely from here. But what we want to be watching for now is a break of this zone for further downside before a final bottom is actually put in. Now, I do overall generally, I think anyway, now I'm not really knowledgeable in the betting side of things, but I mean, just considering the market, the sports betting market and just the betting market, I mean, this seems like a pretty low price for a company that was trading at in the 70s last year. Buy and hold long term. All right, guys. So overall, I do like that this has been pointed out that we're down here in these low prices for this company that's most likely going to turn itself around at some point. It might be long term. That's the only thing. This is potentially a buy and hold. You could get this at a lower price, I believe. Potentially this is going to kind of shoot down to 10 to 11 before finding a reversal pattern. We want to look for a reversal pattern around that level on the weekly, preferably on the weekly or even the monthly if you wanted to do it even more conservatively. Reversal candlestick around these levels in here, 10 to 11 or lower teens, and watching that and watching for a reversal and a bounce from there, going long-term hold on this one. So another fairly easy one, which is great. I like these quick and easy charts. So thanks, guys. Thanks for all the support. Give a like, subscribe on YouTube, follow Chart Daddies on Twitter, Cash Daddies on Twitter, and have a good rest of the day. See ya.